Hi, I'm Dave and we're here in Waukesha doing a WeatherPro window install. This install is new construction windows, which means new trim on the outside and new trim on the inside. Let's see how things are going. So this is one of our double hung WeatherPro windows. You can see it's a little bit wider of a window. This customer already had replacement windows in place before the start of the job that had really narrowed his view. This gives him a good view of his backyard and his deck. This being a new construction window, we cut out the siding just enough for the flanges to retain his look. He had brick mold on here before. We're mimicking that with our finish with just a 2.5 inch trim around the window. Also, it's kind of hard to see now that the window's in, but there is a flexible pan tape that we always use with our new construction windows. That goes over on top of the house wrap. In this case, it's tar paper on a home this age, and allows any water or moisture that gets inside the window cavity to exit out. Everything is taped and sealed. The next step is going to be installing some boards to trim over, and it'll be wrapped with aluminum, caulked, and completely sealed, and it's going to have a beautiful look just like it was brand new. So we're here in the living room of this house in Waukesha, and this is, again, WeatherPro double hung windows. This is a 2-unit assembly. It comes pre-assembled like this, but you can see this isn't a finished edge on here. This shows our structural mull. This is an aluminum structural mull that any window over 52.5 inches high has this as part of it, and it gives it some strength. It doesn't have budge. It's a vinyl window that's very solid. That window is, in a sense, you can't see it because of the foam, but there is a foot that is connected and screwed down into the sill, and it's also screwed up into the header, so that adds strength. All of our windows are closed cell foam entirely. We do a closed cell foam entirely around it, and then we will be applying an extension jam, and in this case, this entire window seat will be removed. We'll be adding a window seat all the way to the window, putting in an apron, and of course putting casing around this window to be painted for a nice finished look. So here you see one of our WeatherPro windows installed with finished trim on it. We use a primed extension jam on here and primed casing. So we have the extension jam fit to the window. This is all ready to be painted.
Don't wait to give your home the protection it deserves with professionals you can trust. At WeatherPro Exteriors, we're committed to quality, durability, and exceptional service. Call 262-706-5339 to schedule your design consultation.